Hi, Blaine Vann here, and today we are having a winter storm. I don't know if you can see that behind me. It's kind of whited out, but yeah, there we go. And so, since we are home, we're going to make some homemade peanut butter today. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to make homemade peanut butter. Now here I got all kind of different type of nuts and almonds and sunflower seeds and stuff like that. And then I'm going to add even some more nuts. And here we just got some bonus nuts here. These are roasted and salted peanuts. So we are going to add this to the mix. And we're looking for about maybe 2 cups of nuts. And so we just kind of put this in the pan and kind of spread it around just a little bit. The last batch that I made, I used this deluxe mixed nuts, and it had cashews, almonds, and pecans in it, pistachios, and hazelnuts, and that peanut butter was absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this mix in it too. Excellent. Sorry about that shaking. Little kosher salt right here. And sprinkle that around right here. And we are going to put it in the oven until the oils are released in the nuts. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. I already put one in. Here's the second one. Now you can use what type of oil, but peanut oil would be the best. I made one batch out of olive oil and then one batch out of peanut oil. All right, we're checking the oven, and oh, that peanut smells so delicious. Roasted peanut just fills the home with that beautiful smell, that rusted and kind of like a little savory smoked nut flavor. It's almost there, and you're just really watching to make sure that the nuts oil is being released. We're gonna try another 10 minutes. Okay, we just took the nuts out of the oven. You see, I got 5 different mixtures, but you can just really see the oil starting to be released from the nuts. Now we're gonna put it in a food processor, and about 2 cups of it, and then we're gonna start the magic. This is going to be so good. The last batch that I did was a real staple of protein in my morning breakfast. And the flavors of these nuts filling the kitchen on this wintry day is just unbelievable. I mean, it really speaks of home and the holidays. Yeah, we just filling this up right here. There we go. Like I said, we put about 2 cups of nuts in the blender. And I found out that in this particular food processor, the blaze doesn't go all the way to the bottom, so you really need about 2 cups, because anything less than that, it just doesn't process well. And so I'm going to just put the rest of these nuts in, and then we're going to put that stuff. Now the secret to making peanut butter, you guys can see that, is mixing it past the magic point. And what I mean by that is that when you mix peanut butter, it doesn't look like peanut butter. Matter of fact, it looks like powder. But maybe 4 minutes into the process, it actually starts to look like peanut butter. So let's go ahead and start, and we'll see what the result's gonna be. We're about 4 minutes into it, and we haven't hit that magic stage when it starts to get creamy, but I don't know if you can tell, but off to the side, right here, it's starting to get a little creamy. Now, when you make homemade peanut butter, it would never be like Skippy or Peter Pan as far as the smoothness, but it's not chunky either, and so we just keep working. All right, as you can see now, it's starting to hit that magic number of processing when they actually begin to liquefy. We about 7 minutes in, but also I have a little secret too, and that is a teaspoon of the old peanut butter, and I added one more teaspoon of oil because it was just too powdery, and that really did the trick. And so it seems like, at least for me, I guess it's my patience, that a starter scoop of peanut butter, and that was from the old organic peanut butter that I made, really helps it along. So, 5 more minutes. Now, it is relatively smooth right now. You can see that right there. See that? So, one of the things it said on the recipe is when it looks like peanut butter and it gets smooth, don't stop. That keep on going. This is great peanut butter right here. But as soon as you think that it's peanut butter, they say do another 4 minutes. And so that's what I'm gonna do. It looks like peanut butter. It's smooth like peanut butter. Let's see. And it tastes like peanut. Oh, that is so good. But 4 more minutes. All right, that's the 4-minute mark. And look at this creamy goodness. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Fresh made peanut butter on a wintry day. So, it's just wonderful. Some of the tips that I have for you is that those mixed nuts make an excellent peanut butter. Something you just can't buy from the store. See, my wife is digging into it right now. And it's a fun tradition for those who got children and you want to show them something about cooking. Very easy to do. I just got the thumbs up. And it is. And you know, as a father, it's about making traditions with your children. So when my granddaughter come by, I'm gonna show her how to make fresh made peanut butter, and that you don't have to buy that from the store. It's fun, it's easy, and my God, it is so delicious. Talk to you later. All right, thanks for visiting. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and remember, this is what we do. People for you ain't.